Hi, this is Jamel with Recherche Kennels in beautiful Statesville, North Carolina. I am so excited to introduce a stunning Cavachon litter that was just born February 19th. They haven't even opened their eyes yet. It was born between Esther and Wesley. There are one boy and two girls born in this litter. 3 is about average size for a Cavachon litter. We've had 1, I think the most is 5. And so 3 is a very healthy litter. As you can see, is a beautiful litter. All 3 pups are a little bit different. They're mostly similar. Most of them are mostly white with some red. Miss Purple has the most red on her. She has red on both ears and her eyes. She's the biggest one of the 2 right now. And then you have Miss Pink, which is a smaller one. She does have some red on her head. And she does have red right here. And if you scroll down, you'll see pictures. And then Mr. Black, the only boy, he's mostly white. I do see some red on his head right here. And some people say he has some on his ear, but he's mostly white, which is a very rare color to get for a Cavachon and very desirable. These puppies are beautiful, as you can see. They're able to go home. 100% of our puppies go home in what's called the Puppy Training Institute. There's 2 things that make us different from any other Cavachon breeder in the world. The first thing is that every one of our puppies go home in training in our Puppy Training Institute. The first level of training is called Puppy Academy. That's training till 12 weeks of age. There's 250 all-inclusive hours of training, and that's May 14th. The second training level is Canine College. That's our most popular training program. It's the most popular training program because 1, the puppies have all of their shots by 16 weeks of age, so you don't have to quarantine them. Secondly, they can hold the restroom twice as long at 16 weeks than at 12 weeks. And the biggest reason people choose Canine College over Puppy Academy is their obedience commands are up to 3 times better. They grow the most between ages of 10 and 16 weeks of age. And that is June 11th. The third training level is Master's Program, training till 20 weeks of age, which is July 9th. And the fourth training level is Doggy Doctorate. That's training till 6 months of age, which is August 19th. Now, if you scroll down, you'll see pictures of both parents, Esther and Wesley. The second thing that makes us different from any other Cavachon breeder is the quality of our parents. I don't know of any other breeder that even comes close to the quality of the parents. If you click on the pictures of Esther and Wesley, it's actually a video which will summarize each of the parents. You'll notice that both parents were imported in from Europe. Why? Because in Europe, they have greater genetic diversity and they tend to live longer, especially with the Cavaliers. So we wanted to get the world's best and healthiest Bichon Frises and Cavalier King Charles Spaniels, and we found them in Europe. And you'll notice they come from generations of health clearances and show champions. Both parents have all of their health clearances as recommended by the Bichon Club of America and the Cavalier Club of America. So you're not going to get a healthier, better bred Cavachon litter in the world than you are with these puppies right here. Now, what I'd like to do is to summarize our Puppy Training Institute. You can actually go to our Puppy Training Institute page on our website, and there you'll see a video of every training level, just specific puppies that have graduated those training levels. But we're going to summarize the entire program. We're going to show off just some of our regular puppies in our program. These are not these puppies obviously, or some of them won't even be Cavachons, but you can see a summary of our program and some of our puppies right now, and then I'll come back and let you know what you need to do to reserve them. Our Puppy Training Institute has 4 core areas. There's a couple areas that are very visible that we're going to show you on camera with the puppy that's for sale. Some of the areas are a little bit more difficult, but the one area that's very visible to show is outside training, and the big part of that is leash training. Puppies love the pull, love the tug, love to cut in front of you, and so we train them to walk on our left side. We train them that when we stop walking, they do what's called an auto sit. That's where they automatically sit without being told, without having any hand signals. They automatically sit. That builds respect and focus on you. A couple other areas in outside training it's a little bit harder to show is car training, and then also swim training when the weather's warmer. The second area that's very visible is obedience training. All of our trainers are certified dog trainers that's been training dogs for years. They know what they're doing. They're all certified. They all can do Canine Good Citizen. They're all very good trainers, and we work on the obedience commands of sit, down, stay, come, place, kennel, and they are trained extensively in all these areas. Now, we have 3 different communication tools we use with the puppies. We use hand signals, we use words, and then we use the training lead that we will provide you. And so as they get older, they get better and better. They can hold their stay longer, they can hold their place longer, they can hold their kennel longer. They can do it with both hand signals and words only, and so they get better and better. The place is when they jump up on the Kuranda cot. You will definitely want to buy a Kuranda cot because that allows the transition for our training to go to you. It's a wonderful command. When we say kennel, they go into their kennel on their own volition. We typically keep the door open, especially as they get older. And we train them, they cannot leave the kennel or really any other door until they are released. The two other areas that's a little bit more difficult that we're going to show you just generic dogs going through this. The one area is house training. We actually spend more time in house training than all the other areas combined. That's about 2/3 of the training. And this is where we work on the most important area of potty training. Of course, we're training them not to use the restroom inside and the signal eventually to go outside. A puppy at 12 weeks of age can typically hold the restroom about 1 hour during the day, whereas a puppy at 6 months can do 4 hours. The same thing is with crate training. We train them to sleep at night in their crate, eat in their crate. And a 12-week-old can typically sleep around 4 to 5 hours without having to be let out. And a 6-month-old, it's 6 to 10 hours. So obviously, the longer they're in training, the longer they can be crate trained. We also, though, while they're in house training, we train them not to jump up on us, not to chew things in the house, not to bite our hands. It's very extensive. And then the last area is socialization training. Many people worry about getting a trained or older puppy is that they won't bond. Well, because of our socialization program, our puppies bond very quickly. In fact, we've never had a client complain about that. And so in our socialization, we're training them not to be afraid of thunderstorms. We're training them not to be afraid of the hair dryer, of the blow dryer, of a vacuum cleaner. We have a TV in our puppy training area, in our house training area where we're socializing them. They go on field trips when they get older. We work extensively on them being handled. We have 20 plus people that work for us, so these puppies are handled by multiple people and they're socialized extensively. That is our Puppy Training Institute. Now, if you're interested in reserving one of these pups, read through this entire page. We right now, because they're young, we're doing puppy selection. So we wait till the puppies are 5 weeks of age. And then if you reserve the first pick of the girls, we will give you pictures of both girls. We'll give you their personalities and a video, and you can choose which of the girls. Now the boys a little bit different because there is no puppy selection. There's only Mr. Black. And they're all very similar. Size-wise, the boy, we're guessing he's gonna be, it's hard to get, but it could be down to 10 pounds all the way up to 17 pounds. The girls can be as small as 8 pounds to 14 pounds. Now Cavachons are probably our most popular, are one of them of all the litters we've ever bred, mainly because they're very similar to Cavapoos, but they're smaller, they have a little bit shorter of a snout, and they're a little bit calmer than Cavapoos. So if you're looking for a Cavapoo, Cavachons are very similar in every way, except they're a little bit smaller, and most people desire Cavachons even more than Cavapoos. Now, if you're interested in a litter, read through this entire page. If you go to the bottom, you'll see pictures and videos that we took of this litter. Right above the most recent video or pictures are the prices for each training level. Now, some people have a hard time finding the prices. So in this video, what we're gonna do is we're gonna show you where prices are found on a typical page. But the prices in this video are not necessarily their prices. You do need to look at their page. And then if you scroll down right below this video, it's a link. It says, click here to fill out puppy application. Click on the words puppy application, fill it out. We will respond to you within 24 hours. Thank you so much for taking time to visit this beautiful Cavachon Litters page, Esther and Wesley. Thank you so much, and God bless.